Good morning, everybody, and welcome to another vlog. It's actually 5:40 in the morning. I'm in my stream/gaming room. I couldn't go to sleep. I actually stopped streaming about 4 hours ago. I think I stopped around like 1 in the morning, and I was just like, man, I can't go to sleep. Like, I probably could have went to sleep, but I was like, man, I don't want to go to sleep. So now here I am. Now I'm not gonna go to sleep because I actually have to wake up in about, if I go to sleep, I would have to wake up in about 2 hours, because I have to get ready. I'm meeting at my cousin's to celebrate Hung's birthday, which is my cousin's boyfriend. So we're all gonna go to Hawker's to eat. So we are about to head out. Before we head out, I wanted to show you guys my OOTD. So this is the full look for today. Well, I'm gonna wear my Reebok Classics. Sorry, Invisalign. I think that's what they're called. I'm gonna wear those with this. So this is a jumper I got from H&M for like $18.99. It's on sale. Good deal. And then this tube top is also from H&M, which is only $2.99. I actually bought one in white as well. And then I got my bag that I'm like always wearing. This is like one of my go-tos. And yeah, that is the completed look. Y'all, it is way too freaking hot right now. Way too hot. Let's see how many degrees exactly. I'm about to show ya. I'm starting the car up. Where does it say on here? It's not my car, it's my sister-in-law's. Oh, 88 degrees. We're out here brushing my wisps. What could you do? Oh, I missed it. We just finished eating at Hawker's. Now we're at Nike, as you can see from these images right here. They're doing like a friends and family discount. So, reading my cousins. I definitely thought that was my brother low-key, but it's not. Hey. So, y'all remember how I couldn't sleep last night? Definitely bit me in the butt. We got home around like, shoot, what time? What time did we get home? Like 3, I think we got home. I've been laying down in bed since, and it is 10 o'clock. Oh my god, I definitely ruined my sleeping schedule. I'm gonna have to try and fix it today. So we'll see how that goes. And I didn't even freaking work out today because of how tired I was, but oh god, good. We'll get back to it tomorrow. I'm probably gonna go ahead and get ready to stream because I gotta stream. I'm literally trying to stream as much as possible before I leave. That is the plans. So, we will see how everything plays out. So, I decided not to stream tonight anymore. So, my family were already together, but I wasn't sure if I was gonna go anymore because it was already 10 p.m. So, I'm like, damn, they're probably like about to leave. So, I had called my mom to see what was up, to see what was going on. And turns out my uncle ended up buying the Manny Pacquiao fight, so they're all still there and there's still food, and I haven't eaten dinner yet. So that's where I'm heading instead. So I did send you all messages on Discord saying that I'm not going to do sub Saturdays anymore, so I'm so sorry for that, guys. I love you guys so much, but you know I always make up for that. So that's where I'm heading to right now. I'm actually almost there, and I'm pretty excited for some food because I've literally haven't eaten since lunch. And I actually didn't really eat too much, so it's the eye of, wait, what has that song called? The eye of the tiger, it's the da-na-na-na. Anyway, I'm back in my house. I have a face mask on. Yes, I look like a fool. If you are interested, I'm trying this out for the first time. It's called Mask Sheet with Snail Brightening from the Sam Pure Natural Snail. I got this from I think it's a Korean skincare place when I was in New York the other week. So I got that, and the reason I was singing that song was because Pacquiao won. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead while I have this mask on, clean my room up, and I'm probably gonna do some laundry because I need to wash my gym clothes because I actually need something for tomorrow since I'm trying to work out in the morning. So yeah, that's my plans for tonight. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning. Good night. Say good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Guys, I'm so mad at myself for ruining my sleeping schedule. Like, it was already bad as it was, but now it's just like bad, like really bad, like really bad. I feel like I'm on like maybe like Pacific Standard Time, if anything, because I'm waking up at like 12 now. Oh, it's so bad. I need to fix it somehow. I'm with Live with CK. Anyway, we're here. Sorry I didn't vlog earlier. My phone died on us.
It was rough.
It was really rough. Really, I thought my phone wasn't gonna turn on, then it turned on because Carla worked her magic powers. But we're here with my crates. We're gonna make, what is it called? What would you call them?
They're like milk crate seats?
Milk crate seats for my like kidney table for school. Can we go straight? So that's where we're going right now. We're gonna find wood to do this, and we will show you guys the entire process when that starts happening. Of truth. Can I sit on it?
Oh, this one's really nice. It feels very sturdy. It feels very sturdy.
So, we finished it. And this is the completed look. Completed look, as if I'm doing makeup. I'm gonna put you guys down. So, the point of this was so everyone can sit on it, as well as store stuff inside. So I know the bottom's ugly, but it works. It can hold some weight. So I'm really excited. We made 4 of those, but I believe I'm gonna switch them all to pink crates. So I have to go to Target tomorrow to exchange them to pink. And yeah, it's gonna be pink with yellow cushions. Well, let me turn it off before I get copyrighted. I'm planning on doing like a MTV Cribs classroom edition, so we'll see how that goes. If it happens, if not, I might just do like a little quick vlog and just kind of like showcase it. So I'm pretty excited. We out here streaming and shiz.
Yeah, this thing is fire.
Everyone say hi. Wow, you're so mean, Sally. They can't hear you. You gotta say it in chat. Come on. Shout out Aldama 2004. There's your shout out. Wow, you guys are so mean. Shout, shout. I hate this. What's going on? Kathy, you have the voice of an angel. Who's like V the man? Let's see what. Look at the bun. Oh, yo, that's sick. Aw, thank you, V. Love you. Okay.
That's all my sisters. Like I would only do it if she's
He's like a little zombie Sailor Moon.
I can afford it.
Aw, thank you, Jimmy. Good morning, fams. It's 8:30, well 8:36 if you want to be exact. I have no idea how I'm awake. I actually ended up streaming till about 4 in the morning. And I didn't sleep till closer till 6 because I had to do some things. So here I am. But it's okay. I actually had to start my day early. So we are here. I'm about to go head to the gym to get my workout in. It is arm day and I'm probably going to do 10 minutes of cardio like on the Stairmaster as always. And yeah, and I have my nail appointment at 12. So I'm going to try to do my workout here, shower, eat my lunch, then head out, do my errands, come back, maybe rest, don't know yet. So I finished at my nail appointment. Sorry if it's like really loud, by the way. The AC is like blasting right now because apparently it's 100 degrees. But look, I'm a girl again. If you know me personally, you know I don't tend to get my nails done on the like reg. I'm not that kind of girl, unless it's like a special occasion, which obviously it is because this week I'm going to Cabos. So I want my nails did, and probably the next time I'll be doing my nails is probably September. I don't have anything else planned for the day. I was thinking of going to Forever 21, but I think I might do that for tomorrow. Because I kind of want to go home and get a little bit of rest, and I actually need to edit this vlog anyway. So this is going to be the last clip. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Well, I'll see you guys in Cabos. Bye guys!